Good morning, class. I would like everyone's mouths quiet and eyes on me. When someone is talking, whether that is one of your classmates or me, I expect everyone to listen quietly and show them respect. If you have a comment or wish to answer one of my questions, I would like you to raise your hand like this. I do not want to just hear you shout out an answer. You need to wait for me to call on you and then you may answer. Let's practice this now. Today is September 26th. What is today's date, everyone? Yes, class? Very good, class. That's exactly what I want to see. For today's lesson, we will first need to review some basic math facts. Who can tell me what 16 plus 23 is? Tyler? That's right. What is 25 minus 13? Maureen? Correct. Can anyone tell me what 13 times 4 is? Katie? Great. Now, what is 48 divided by 2? Dawn? Good. Finally, what is 4 squared? Brandon? Great job. Now that I know that you all remember your basic math facts, I'm going to tell you what we will be learning about in today's lesson. In today's lesson, you will learn about the order of operations. The order of operations is a rule to help you solve those tough math problems. After today, you will be able to solve complex mathematical equations. This will be helpful on all math tests, including the PSSAs. I would like everyone to listen carefully now as I tell you the exact order of operations, because I will then have you repeat it back to me. The order of operations is also written on the board so everyone can follow along. The standard order of operations is as follows: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Let me repeat that. The order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. An easy way to remember this is by memorizing the mnemonic, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." The first letter of each word in the mnemonic stands for one of the operations. Now, I would like you all to say the order of operations with me as I point to the words on the board. The order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Great! Now let's hear you say it without me. Well done. What is the order of operations, class? The order of operations is... Excellent. And what is the mnemonic for the order of operations? Randy? Great. Alright, students, I would like your eyes on me as I demonstrate how to solve a mathematical equation using the order of operations. Who would like to read number 1 aloud? Julie? Thank you. The order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. First, I ask myself, are there any parentheses in this equation? Since there are, that is the part I will solve first. Therefore, 5 times 3 is 15. The next step is to do the exponents. 15 to the second power is 225. Are there any multiplication or division facts? No. This means I skip that and move on to the next steps, addition and subtraction. Since the last thing to do is subtraction, I will solve that, and I get 64 for an answer. Everyone follow along as I complete the second problem. Donna, can you please read number 2 aloud? Good. Now the order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. First, I ask myself, are there any parentheses in this equation? There aren't, so I skip that and move on to the next operation, exponents. 3 to the second power is 9. Since there is no multiplication in this problem, my next step is to divide 36. 36 divided by 9 is 4. The last step is to add 18 and 4, and I get the answer 22. Let's try this one more time, only this time all of you can help me. Who will read number 3 aloud? Bonnie? And what is the order of operations, class? Well done. First, I ask myself, are there any what in this equation? Parentheses, correct. Since there aren't any parentheses, what is the next order of operation that needs to be completed? Great job! 12 to the second power is 144. What is the next part that needs to be solved? Wes? Excellent! 15 times 144 is 2,160. Who can complete the last step of the problem? Andrew? Great!